Hi, my name is Adam Dicker, and I get asked a lot if people should own their own domain name. The answer to that is yes, you should always own your own domain name for a bunch of reasons. One, you may want to brand, or you may want to protect your identity. Eventually, you may have some sort of an ex or a vengeful spouse or something who may want to put up some sort of a site. You should always own it yourself. It's under $10 and it's easy to do. You just go to a registrar and you set it up. It's your identity. You want to protect it even if you don't ever create a website. You also want to make sure that you have it as a resume site. You can link your LinkedIn profile to it, so forward the name like adamdicker.com to your LinkedIn profile if you're not setting up a business. It's very professional. Put it on your resume, set up your personalized emails, so it's like me at adamdicker.com or info or whatever you want, but it's much better than having a Hotmail or a Gmail or even a GeoCities from about 20 years ago. Makes you look more professional and up to date. It's also great for branding. You can use it for anything you want to do now or in the future. So if you ever own your own business, you may want to list all your businesses there or one business there. It's all about your identity, and it's all about protecting your brand. There's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't go out today and spend $10 to $15 and buy your own domain.com and have it as a valuable asset to protect your brand. Thanks a lot and have a great day.